So there we are. Obviously I'd have preferred it if it was black fur, but I can live with blue. Some of the other colours were a bit bright. I've trimmed it a little bit. So now we can just clip that off. And you can see I've opened that hole up quite a bit so we can get to the memory card, and we get to the USB, we can get to the HDMI. It's probably sort of overkill for what I actually need, but I like that. The only way we'll know if it works is to try it out on a windy day. See where the wind goes. Because I am aware just wind blowing over it, because the microphone's embedded within it, it will still get some wind noise on it, but we won't get it blowing directly into the little aperture. Hi guys, just doing a wind noise check on the action camera with the new dead cat on it. So it's on there at the moment, and there's a light breeze, nothing much. I'll just wait for people to walk past, and then I'll take the dead cat off and see what it's like without it. Right, so talking with it on, now I've taken it off, and the wind's picked up a bit, to be fair, so we can't really tell. Let's put it back on again. Right, it's back on again, so we'll see what that's like. Could walk along the beach. Well, bit uneven for you though, I think. Right, picking up the wind now, I should think. Pull the dead cat off. Right, dead cat is off. Dead cat is back on again. Take the dead cat off. Back on again. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, And down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.